Hey YouTube, gonna do quick airsoft loadout real quick. Most of these guns I don't know the names to because I bought them and didn't really pay attention to the names, so yep, bear with me. Some of them have custom paint jobs, you might not be able to see the detail on some of them, yep. Alright, let's get started. This is a airsoft shotgun. Don't really know the name. But it's custom painted. Don't know if you can see the detail on it. It's the white cracked a little bit right there. The clip is small, so not wanting to upgrade it at all. It's a secondary that I don't really use because it's not too good. FPS is about 200, somewhere around there. Not really good. This is a M19, I believe. Custom painted, digital. I thought I did better on the digital, but it's kind of spaced apart mostly. So amateur digital, I guess. This side was a little bit better than this one. So yeah, FPS is about a little bit higher than that shotgun. So yeah, this is a Crossman M9, custom painted. All these guns so far is spring. And this gun has a higher FPS than both of these. It's about 230 maybe. Okay, moving on. Those are all my secondaries. Moving on to one of my primaries. It is a L96 sniper rifle, spring, bolt action. The FPS is about 375, and my variable zoom scope, small clip. Moving on to my M4. I don't know the name of this, it's just M4 I guess. High cap magazine, 400 rounds, custom painted. I don't know what tiger to call that, just black tiger I guess. I don't know. Yeah, my good grip is on it. My other grip, which is really bad, is not. My red dot scope broke, so I don't have it. It's not ambidextrous, so yeah. And then on to the Pulse R71, custom painted. It's snowy forest, I guess, paint. This is a really shitty gun, honestly. I don't like it, so it's gonna turn into my practice gun as well as the shotgun for camos when I get my new guns. Okay, moving on to accessories. Basically, I don't have a lot because I don't like to use the slings that my guns come with, so I don't have any slings. We got a really crappy grip here. I don't use it a lot, that's why it's on my M4. Speed loader, very good. I like it. Came with my L96. This is a 500 round little BB carrier that I take with me when I go out in the field. 5,000 round, 0.2 gram BBs with some .25s in there. 5,000 round, unopened, saving it for when I get new guns. 5,000 rounds, .20 gram BBs. Alright, that was my current airsoft loadout. Basically, I usually use my M4, Primary, second primary are 71, sometimes an M4, L96, and then pistols. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.